Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about how to set up payment methods in WooCommerce. So the first thing you will have to do is go to your plugins and press the add new button. From there you want to search your Woo payments and then install it. From there you want to click install now and activate it. So once you have activated, it's going to show you this. So what this is, it will activate you to be taken to a page to start creating your account with the Woo payments. So you can have Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and many much more. So from there, signing up, you will have to become a sandbox mode or you will have to become a developer and select the working country for this to all work. So you can select Stripe as a partner payment also if you want to. So go to payments, connect your store. From there, connect your store, Woo payments, continue, and then let's get ready with your store to accept payments. So from there, you will have to place on your actual address. So let me just get rid of that, and then your software, add information, verify your personal details, of course. And then from there, you're going to be having to cancel if you don't have the right verify details, if you don't have it. And then you'll have to stay updated because you will need this for later because sometimes it might not go through, so you will have notifications. From there you can configure the general, you can enable Woo payments and the test mode if you want to test it out. So there you go guys, that is how you set up payment methods in WooCommerce. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.